We are at the Marriott Rampart King Fairway View room. And this is an extremely nice room. As you enter, you got this archway. All the, little ceiling is arched, which is a nice touch there. And then to the right, you have the restroom, which is super big, especially just for us two people. Look how large the door is, very wide. Here is your jetted tub, right next to your shower. And as you open the shower door, you'll notice there's a rain head above and the regular head on the side. Little bench to rest for a minute. Smells really nice and fresh in there. You've got the mirror for the ladies. Get your face done. You also have good lighting on the mirrors in front of you, right above the sinks. Very nice sinks. Tons of space under the sink for putting stuff. Outlets. The presidential phone again here next to the throne. Nice touch. And what is this? I don't know what this is. There's a dial here to do something. What is this, a spa? No, there's nothing behind there. I don't know what this is for. Okay. But really nice little fixtures and little touches, like the lighting up in the ceiling. That's a cool little touch. So as we exit the bathroom, go down the hall through the archway, to the right we have this closet. And as you can see, it's a big closet. Definitely a walk-in. I think you can fit another person up in here. You got the safe, good size safe, ironing board, hangers. So that's a huge closet, guys. Then to my left is the little mini bar. All right, so you got an ice bucket, so we know they got ice. And one of the best things here, the fridge is empty, so you've got room to store some stuff. And it does come with water. That's nice. Okay. You got the mirror, like 2 Cent says, to check yourself before you wreck yourself. This huge television screen, and then if we pan to the right, the bed is right over there. Really nice looking. We haven't lied down in it yet, so I don't know the comfort level, but looks like a super nice bed. And what they've done here as well, they included USBs and outlets which is a nice touch. And then you have even more outlets on the side, along with this little reader in case you're reading a book on blackjack, how to count cards. It's perfect at nighttime. And we're gonna pan over here now. You got your desk to do your business on. Check this out, business people. You got a little hardwire there for your computer, the phone, another lamp with USBs outlets as well. And this is a cool touch. Down at the registration, they give you a list of all the restaurants with QR codes on them, so you can just use your phone, click on those QR codes, and you'll know everything about those restaurants all in one place, so you don't have to just walk around wondering, you know, what's up. And then also for registration, they give you $5 free slot play. We got 2 of those because we're staying 2 nights. $5 free slot play. And then we also got 2 $10 match bet on table games, which the table games here are $10 as of right now, minimum. And it's 3 to 2 blackjack. And then I don't know what these things are. It says bingo packs. Matrix, might need you on that one. What's a bingo pack? I don't know. But looks fun. Really nice chairs. They look comfy. In a nice spot, you can just kind of relax and chill right there. You got a table in between. Again, the other nightstand is fully equipped with 2 USBs again, and outlets, more outlets, and another reader. This is a cool part right here. Look at that. She opens the doors and the heavens open up. We have a tiny, maybe 6-inch balcony. But no, it's super nice to look at the fairway from here. So there is a golf course in this area. We did stay at that Suncoast Casino earlier on this trip. So it's right next door.
So we don't know what the name of this type of room is called, so we have dubbed it the King Fairway View.
Yes.
So.
But it's really, really nice. The biggest shock probably for you guys, especially for the room, the way this room looks, is we got this room for $59 during the holiday season. $59 a night. There is resort fees.
$39.
But I mean, almost every casino now and it's gonna have resort fees.
It's a very well maintained room, and it's huge, and it just I feel like I'm paying a lot more for this room when I'm really not.
it. Let us know what you think. Let us know, if that price is what you're looking for. Maybe check this place out, Rampart.
If it's worth
by
staying
Marriott.
off strip during a holiday
Yeah,
weekend.
if you have a vehicle or if you plan on Ubering.
Yeah, I was even willing to spend 2 nights at Four Queens, thinking it would be cheap and no resort fees for the 4th of July. $200 a night at Four Queens for Saturday, July 3rd and Sunday, July 4th. I don't mind. We have a vehicle. We can get to the strip in about 15 to 20 minutes. We're good.
All right.
Let us know if you have stayed here before as well. There might be some of you out there that have been here before. So let us know what your experience was like.
All right, guys. We will see ya.